folks asking me about my Louis Vuitton Keyholder, and they want to know if the hot stamping is worth it. So is the hot stamping worth it? Is it just a waste of time? Is it gonna wear out?
I've been pushing work all summer.
If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell while you're at it so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Let's dive into this, y'all. This is not gonna be a long one. You know, I've had a lot of folks ask me about my Louis Vuitton Keyholder, and they wanna know if the hot stamping is worth it. So is the hot stamping worth it? Is it just a waste of time? Is it gonna wear out? Well, let me just address these issues. First of all, I have had this key holder for almost 4 years. So in December of this year, we'll make 4 years that I've had this for. And look at this. It is an absolute fabulous condition. I use this every single day, and I want you to just look at the size of it. I have seen several videos and folks have mentioned that their key holders have worn out and the seams have become undone, and they've just talked about those issues. And let me just tell you, I've had this, like I said, for almost 4 years, and this looks almost brand new, And if you're considering getting the key holder, I would say go for it. Definitely, I use this every day. This is my key holder, and even though I don't have my actual car keys on this because it's too heavy, I have my house key on it and other keys that I need, and I need this every day. Let's talk about the stamping on it. Well, the stamping is a complimentary service, okay? As long as you've purchased a Louis Vuitton, and I believe even if it's a pre-owned, I'm not 100% on that. Even if it's pre-owned, you can go ahead and go back to the Louis Vuitton store and have them, you know, stamp it for you. Now look at my stamp. Those are my initials, yay. And guys, absolutely no wearing off. Almost 4 years, and look at that. I got it in a pink. I love pink. Okay, y'all, I love pink, but no wearing off at all. And so if you're considering having your Louis Vuitton hot stamped, I would say go for it. There's no wearing off, and I don't know with others who've had their hot stamp wear off. I don't know what they're doing with it, what they're rubbing it against, or what's going on. But all I can tell you is that this is fabulous. It looks as though it was just done yesterday. And like I said, I've had it for 4 years. The only thing I'm gonna tell you about my Louis Vuitton after almost 4 years, the only wear and tear on this key holder is going to be that little section there. You guys see that? And that was the reason why I really wanted to go with the colored Louis Vuittons. You know, they have some, the key holders that have the little pop of pink. I love pink, and I was thinking about the pop of pink right here, and I decided not to because I did watch a few videos where folks mentioned that it wore off after a while, and that was the one thing I said I didn't want it to wear off because it was looking really bad when it wore off. I went with just the regular brass finish, and you can see it's starting to wear off just a little bit, but other than that, this thing looks brand new. That's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and share this video with a friend or two. Alright guys, remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches until next time. Thanks for tuning in today. Ciao.